Hello, all. I welcome you all to the beautiful session of the Get Study. In today's session, how to read the Sanskrit. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the subjects like physics, chemistry, maths. But now we are going with the Sanskrit. So, in Sanskrit, we have so many important questions to learn, and for half yearly purpose, we have some questions. So, that is the first topic is निबंध प्रश्न. निबंध प्रश्न समाधान को एक अच्छा इम्पोर्टेंस है. So this is the 6 marks question. So from this I am taking for half yearly we have 2 lessons, Kapinam Upavasaha and one more lesson. So here I am taking Kapinam Upavasaha, which is a easy chapter to read and understand. Kabatti ఆ చాప్టర్ని let us discuss about the chapter now. So कपयः वानरकुलस्य महत्त्वं कथं वर्णितवन्तः. So we should write the Sanskrit's Kapinam Upavasaha chapters essay now. So first point, we should write the poet's introduction. So the author of the lesson Kapinam Upavasaha is written by the Srisailam Tatacharyulu. About the book, this lesson is taken from the book Kavya Sangrahaha. About the lesson, just like human beings, the monkey's efforts to reach the salvation and getting failure is described in a humorous and sarcastic way. So now, how the story begins. One day, the king of all monkeys headed an assembly. So one day, a king of all monkeys headed an assembly and said, "O monkeys, we are so great in courage, bravery, and education among 3 lokas. So, among the 3 lokas, we are the educated, brave, and courageous people. You know that great swimmer of the ocean who swam across the ocean and burnt Lanka, the compiler of new grammar. Lord Hanuman took birth in our clan." So, means the monkeys are discussing about the Hanuman who born in their category, that is monkeys category, and who is the compiler of the new grammar and also the great swimmer. Okay, so now Jagane Hanuman Sacha Kutra Vamse. We are not less than those human beings. What is the greatness in them? These monkeys are discussing like this. Even we are greater than those human beings. Once again, we will attain our past glory by tough hard work. So they are telling each other, if we do the hard work, then we can get the past glory. Means how the past is there, like that we will get. Just like human beings, we follow dharma and obtain power. So the monkeys are discussing, let us follow the dharma and get the power. Why can't we get? Seeing the delighted monkeys, the king monkey prolonged. Kimaskakulajasya naksyat. In this part, we fast ourselves on the eve of tomorrow's Ekadasi Tithi. So, there is a Ekadasi Tithi tomorrow, so let us fast ourselves. Means they are fasting. Okay. Uposya dharmam pradhamam kurudvam. Hearing this, all overwhelmed monkeys got up in the morning hours and had their bath in the river. Chanting Rama, they started Diksha. So, by chanting the Rama, they started the Diksha. Means they all are telling Rama, Rama like that. And they started the Diksha. And next, after some days, they started hopping, jumping, swinging the legs, and blubbering, and finally lost their consistency out of impatience. One among those monkeys said, "It's horrible to gain food after our penance tomorrow because of losing our strength. So right now we go in search of food near Jambu tree." So there is a Jambu tree there. So let us go for the food. If we not take the food, then there will be no food for us in the future. So one monkey is telling like that. Prayena sakta navayam bhavema. After hearing those words, all monkeys accepted and went to that blackberry tree. So then the other one said, it will be very difficult to pluck the fruits tomorrow after our fasting because of losing our energy. So now itself we climb the branches and settle there readily to pluck the fruits, then there won't be any flow in our diksha. There will be any there won't be any stop in our diksha. And next, Kanaha Kshatistatra Bhavishyatiti. Agreeing that all monkeys sat on the branches and had been spending a second as if a year. So, during this time, they observed some of the fruits falling into the river due to the air. There won't be any single fruit for tomorrow, so we keep the fruits in our mouths right now and bite them tomorrow. So, they are thinking that let us eat the fruits today, let us keep in our mouth today and eat tomorrow. So, then accepting this, at once all monkeys devoured the fruits to mouthful. So all have filled their mouths with the fruits. At last those fruits reached their throats from their mouths. Then immediately impatient they all ate that, biting and swallowing all of them to satisfy the hunger, leaving the fasting. They have eaten all the fruits. So from this we can learn some interesting moral. So, what is it? So, that is imitation is equal to the suicide and also not encourageable. So, at first, the monkeys thought they are greater than humans and started fasting. They no longer finished the fasting, they ate all the fruits. So, from this case, we can observe that humans here, monkeys imitated the humans. So that is why imitation is equal to the suicide and not encourageable. So this is the topic of Kapina Mupavasaha, which was written by Sri Sailam Tatacharyulu and from Tatacharyanam Kavya Sangraha. And now this is in English. So in the future, let me tell in the Telugu. Hope you all like this video. Imitation is equal to suicide and not encourageable. Please note this point. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.